Welcome to another video guys. My name is Gauresh and today I'll be talking about a company named as Canna Pharma RX, ticker symbol CPMD. Now without wasting any time, let's get right into it. First things first, so the global cannabis industry is expected to reach about $47.5 billion till 2025. As per analysts, the global cannabis sales increased by a whopping 46% from 2018 to 2019. The first quarter of 2019, there were about 646,000 new users of cannabis for the first time. The baby boomer generation, which is from 1945 to 1965, has become the largest market for cannabis industry. In order to meet such a growing demand, producers like CPMD will have to grow it in future. Let's talk specifically about CPMD. Why I think CPMD will be the leader in the cannabis industry in future. First of all, let's talk about the facilities and expansion of CPMD. The first plant that was installed by CPMD was in Hanover, Ontario, and it was built in May of 2014. It has about 48,800 square foot of growing space and produces 21,000 pounds of cannabis annually. The next facility is also in Ontario and the place is Stevensville. This facility was acquired on February of 2019. It has about 60,000 square foot of growing space of cannabis and produces 27,500 pounds of cannabis annually. The production of this plant started in the quarter 1 of 2020, which is why the share prices have boosted right now. CPMD is also working on acquiring a new project which is in Okanagan, British Columbia. This new facility is very huge. It has about 760,000 square foot of area, and if acquired, it can produce about 265,000 pounds of cannabis annually. This is insane. But because of the present pandemic situation, just like many other companies, CPMD has also struggled for this acquisition. But the company believes that issues have been resolved and they are expecting to close this deal in this current quarter itself. They are also planning for expansion in United States and are trying to buy a facility in California, which can produce about 100,000 pounds annually. Now let's talk about the development. CPMD is looking to expand a new genetics division and they can produce new strains by crossbreeding. With this produce, they can produce healthier strains and they can produce it in shorter amount of time, which will be eventually increasing their revenue. The third advantage of this company is that they are involving a global advisory firm. The name of the global advisory firm is Teneo Capital and they will be strategically guiding CPMD in restructuring, financing, consulting and investing. Teneo Capital has global transaction experience and has completed about $525 billion of mergers and acquisitions globally. Teneo launched its program for CPMD on 22nd of July 2020. According to Bloomberg, for 1 gram of cannabis produced, the producers are estimated to profit about $3.60 for 1 gram. Also, the loosening of government regulations have boosted the cannabis industry. Also, because of the Cannabis Act and Cannabis 2.0, the cannabis industry and the producers like CPMD are expected to be growing in the coming future. CPMD stock has already climbed about 170% in the recent weeks and there can be more explosive growth in the coming future. That's it for this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching and have a great day.